Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Gajala uba Prestone dan Seng, ula pentip ba Menteri Rangba uba sneom halang dhar, ulum ya ka Jingïakhih menta kesngi, bad kinong mi khmat jong ka Trok Owners and Drivers Association. Ten Seng ula Kyntu ya ka tega Seng, bahkan Weng no ka Jingïakhih, bad bakin wan cekmat banyak keren da ka boong, baka sorkar kalong ka bakloy banyak keren, halor ki jing dawa ki ba ki dawa. Ha ka ba yadei bad kitu ki bala syakem, sembut Menteri Rangba ulaong baka aan kan le yala ka kamram kat kabade. Ula Kyntu biang ya ka Seng bakan Weng no ya ka jing persya bad sya ya ka jing yad kali bakan yad bet yad renti.
In the afternoon, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Halang Dehar, who is also looking after Transport Department, he has a meeting with them again today in the afternoon. So from the government side, we requested them to withdraw the agitational program, and instead of doing that, better you come to the table for discussion. So now we have requested them to immediately lift the agitation, and we are waiting for the decision to be taken by them, I think, now in the evening.
What about the people who are arrested?
That, the law will take its own course. That's what I'm saying. So first of all, we would request all of them to call off the program and make sure that the movement, the traffic movement goes smoothly as usual.